Mamaw spotted mga guys. This is an aerial survey. Nangita ta og maayong spot na i-dive. Og dihay nagtuyok-tuyok ta sa taas, nakaspot ta og dakong mamaw. It's not just an ordinary mamaw but a saltwater crocodile. This kind of animals are very aggressive. Now never try to engage with them, mga kaspiro, kay maski atong spear gun maglisod og duot sa ilahang panit. It is so tough that not even a shaft of a spear gun can penetrate on its skin. Now to stay safe, just don't dive, and please do not attempt to risk engaging in this kind of reptile. It is very dangerous. Stay safe mga kaspiro.